All right, now it's actually running.
Okay, so when you do it, make sure that you do it this side. You know, there's two sides. The other side is smooth. The other side has, you know, the wrinkly part.
Right.
Right? So make sure that you grab two strong. You know, it doesn't have to be an Allen key, but I prefer Allen key for something that's long
Right.
and strong.
Right.
Right?
Long and strong.
Remember, like this, not like this.
Right, flat
like
side
this.
down, flat side down. Yeah, because
First one will go inside the groove. Next one will be inside the groove. You want it to be all the way at the end, not like this, not in the middle, all the way to the edge. And then you start stretching out,
Right,
out,
right.
out. Keep going, keep going.
That looks good.
Oh, it came out.
that's got it.
It's
Yeah.
fine, it's fine. You should do it. Push it again. Remember, don't do it all the way. Push it out. Out. Keep going. Put your body into it. Take them out.
That's great. That
Take
looks
them out.
great.
There you go.
Right. There we go. Beautiful. Thank you. Let's get that down. There we go. So we see our seal. This is also what we see on the diagram. The seal flange faces the pressure. Beautiful.